Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a Supplemental Security Income application letter. This letter is a formal request submitted to the Social Security Administration. In this letter, you'll need to include your personal information at the top, such as your name, address, phone number, and email address, along with the date. Then you'll address the Social Security Administration by writing their office address and city. Under the subject line, make sure to mention application for Supplemental Security Income, so the purpose of your letter is clear right from the start. When you begin the body of the letter, you'll use a formal greeting like "Dear Sir, Madam." This will set the tone for the rest of your communication. After that, write, "I am writing to formally apply for Supplemental Security Income benefits due to my current financial and medical situation. I am your age, years old, and have been diagnosed with your medical condition, which significantly limits my ability to work and earn a stable income. My monthly income is insufficient to meet my basic living expenses, including housing, food, and medical care. Enclosed with this letter are my medical records, financial documents, and other necessary forms to support my application. I kindly request a review of my case and consideration for Supplemental Security Income benefits to help me maintain financial stability. Please let me know if any additional information or documentation is required to process my application. I appreciate your time and assistance in this matter and look forward to your response. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample Supplemental Security Income application letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains your financial and medical situation, addressing the reasons why you qualify for the benefits. The letter outlines your income, living conditions, and medical records to support your application. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and compelling application that helps the Social Security Administration understand your need for financial assistance. This letter emphasizes your eligibility and the challenges you're facing, increasing your chances of a positive outcome. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective applications and forms.